Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today we'll continue our Mandarin learning. But from today, I believe you can start to say some very simple Chinese sentence. Let's begin. The first pronunciation, do you still remember how to pronounce it? You can look the right hand side. There is a U plus a O will be U, O, or with third tongue. 我 Let me hear your voice. 我 So in pinyin, if you can find an English letter W at the begin, it equals U sound. So 我 in Chinese, which means I. 我 Very good. The second word we will learn today is this word. How do you pronounce it? Great. Sh, sh. Fourth tongue. Sh. In Chinese is a very useful verb, which means am, is, are, was, or. We can make use of this verb to generate tons of sentences, like I am, you are, he is, she is. How do we say you then? This is a pinyin for you. Can you try to say that? N, I, with third tongue. N, I, ni. Very good. Can you say it one more time, please? 你 Perfect. When we try to speak Mandarin, you'll find out it is very lucky because the grammarly orders in English is similar like in Chinese. Over here, I give you a structures like this: subject, verb, object. I say I am someone. You can use this structure to introduce yourself. Before you start, let me introduce myself to you. 我 which means I. 是 which means is, am, are. In English, you can say I am. So in Chinese, we say 我是 I am. Then you can make a self-introduction in a very simple way. 我是段段. One more time. 我是 with your own name, please. Very good. So, I'm curious who are watching the Mandarin lesson right now. 你是 Can you tell me who are you? Can you make a very brief introduction about yourself, about your name? Very good. Nice to meet you. 我是段段，很高兴认识你。When we start to learn language, we'll try to say hello to each other. Still remember hello? I mentioned this word in the pronunciation part. Good. 你好 which means hello. There is a rules in pinyin. If you can find two third tone in a Chinese word, the first third tone will sound like the second tone. So this word sounds like 你好 Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. Now we finished learning. Can you try to say hello to me and introduce yourself later? I will make a self-introduction about myself. 你好，我是段段。 你是 Have a try. Can you introduce yourself to me, please? Very good. Nice to meet you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today, and I will see you next time. 再见。